Okay, on this lecture we are going to watch Python tuples. So tuple is a data structure in Python. Tuple is collection of same or different data that are enclosed in parenthesis separated by comma. Okay, list is enclosed in a bracket. Tuples are enclosed in parenthesis. Tuple is unmutable, ordered, and allow duplicate value. The definition of four list tuple and set dictionary will be so far same. What you need to note means on what it was enclosed and the properties. Okay, whether it is mutable or unmutable, allow duplicate element or not allow duplicate element, whether that is array, whether that is ordered or unordered. Okay, so you need to know that only. So it's good to take a notes also. I would prefer that. So creating a tuple. Creating a tuple. For creating alpha, that is equal to parenthesis A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. So then num, that is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. There is another option is list in tuple. You can able to place a tuple inside list. Lint, that is equal to 1 comma on the bracket, sorry, on the parenthesis 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, or you could use another option, tuple your name. So I will show that. Accessing a tuple. So I'm accessing all the element in a tuple, alpha comma num. Okay, so I'm just accessing all the element in a tuple, then accessing particular element, alpha of 0th element is A. Okay, then print alpha of second element, then alpha 0 to third element, and print alpha first element to all the element. Okay, so third element, so second element is C, 0 to 3, then 1 to all the element. Okay, and this thing alpha of bracket colon means it will print all the values. Okay, then print tuple of Coder033. Here you could see my all the characters which has been presented inside the string has been divided into a separate value. Okay, we need to check the type of tuple. Okay, type of alpha. What is the type of alpha? Is class tuple. Okay, accessing an element in a tuple, then adding in a tuple. Someone will guess why I'm just saying this. Alpha plus equal to E comma F. Print alpha. Okay, I'm just printing my result. E and F has been added in a tuple. So this is a normal adding. What we has been watched in list, we can able to use an append option as well as extend option, but that append or extend has been not available in a tuple. Okay, this is an extended adding function. On the default, adding element is not present because unmutable. Once we enter the value, we can't able to change, remove or alter the value. Okay, so this is why here happening means this is an extended adding function. If I write alpha dot append, this thing will not work. Print alpha. Why it was not showing means, not showing an error means, it already the keyword is presented. If I run only, you could see tuple object has no attribute append. Okay, on the default tuple is unmutable, so you can able to add a value. Then counting in tuple. Counting in tuple. Print how much A is present in alpha, comma alpha dot count A, same like n, how much n is presented in alpha. So there is 1 A is presented and 0 n is presented in a alpha. Then indexing in tuple. Print in which A is present, in which element A is present, alpha dot index of A, alpha dot index E. Okay, A is presented on 0, E is presented on 4th element. Okay, concatenating in tuple. Concatenating in tuple. So concatenating is nothing but adding of two different tuple. Okay, alpha plus num. I can able to add two tuple. Okay, print result. It will be one single large tuple. Okay, this is how you concat a tuple. Then to find the length of tuple, print length of alpha. Length of alpha is length of bracket alpha, length of num is length num. Okay, so alpha is 7, num is 5. We can't able to remove an value. Then to find min and max, to find a minimum value and maximum value in a tuple, print the minimum value in tuple num is min of num. Okay, min of num, the same thing to find a maximum value. Okay, maximum value, to find a maximum value and minimum value. The minimum value in num is 1, the maximum value in num is 5. Okay, then to find a sum, print total value in num is sum of num. Okay, the adding of 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 1 is 15. Okay, then sort. On list we just sort a different type of sort because you can able to sort using dot sort function. On tuple you use a different technique. Okay, ABC, that is equal to a tuple of m n q z e and a. Okay, so before sorting, print ABC, then again print sorted of ABC. Okay, sorted of ABC. Okay, so before sorting and after sorting, one thing you need to know, whenever my tuple has been sorted, you could see the sorted element has been in the list. On the definition what I am saying, you can't able to change the order also, which is unmutable in tuple. You can't able to remove, add or change the order. If you change, that particular element will be completely turned down to the list element. Okay, then compare a, that is equal to 1 comma 2, b equal to 10 comma 20. I am just comparing whether the tuple element which has been presented inside A, the values are greater than the value in B. So that is a false. A is greater than B is false because the element which has been presented inside B is larger than A. Okay, A is greater than B is false, A is lesser than B is true. Okay, you can able to compare between the tuple. Finally, looping all values. Okay, not a value, all values in tuple. As I'm like, for value in alpha, print value. Okay, now running. Here you could say A, B, C, D, W, E, F. Okay, my all the values has been looped. Let's come to the summary. Tuples are data structure in Python that are enclosed in parenthesis separated by comma. Tuples is unmutable, which you can't able to add, remove or alter an value inside the tuple, and ordered. Okay, the last element is been added means you can able to order the element, then allow duplicate values. The ordered is nothing but I am entered a tuple. Whenever I am just printing, it was being in a same order. On the set, you could find the difference in between what is the meaning of ordered. Okay, in set video you can able to see the difference between what is ordered and unordered. So creating a tuple, list in tuple, then adding, this is a external adding, not default function available in tuple, counting in tuple, indexing in tuple, concatenating two tuples, then to find length, minimum, maximum, sum sorted, comparing between tuples, finally looping all the element in the tuple. On next lecture, we are going to watch Python sets.